Hey guys, DMS here. Today I have for you this, an unboxing of the AKG K361 and some of my initial impressions. Let's check it out. So this is in the same family as the AKG K361, a headphone that I had some complaints about, but praised in other ways. Sorry, I probably sound like crap today. I got a little bit of a stomach bug going on. But my ears are fine. Okay, there's the headphone. I will set that right there for just a minute. Got a 1/4 inch 6.3mm adapter there. And carrying case, just like the K371, with 2 cables. Alright, let's get this stuff out of the way. Decent carrying case, nothing super crazy. Feels like it might be mildly water repellent, but I actually no, I can see light straight through it. Okay, so probably not water repellent at all, but a little bit abrasive on the outside, soft on the inside will probably protect it from scratches and things like that. Looks like we have a long cable and a short one. Let's get the short one undone here, because that's the one I'm going to use. We don't have the bungee cable with this one that the K371 had. The build feels pretty similar. I was told before that the 371 I got in should have been made with better materials, which is interesting. So the 371 I had, which was an early one, was basically made out of almost the same materials as this one. Nothing super fancy, a lot of plastic. Kind of flimsy, but this one doesn't feel like it's going to fall apart as much as the other one did. The cups are... this cup is definitely a lot tighter than this cup. I'm going to assume that they got most of the build sorted out, but I'm not going to promise it because it doesn't feel perfect. Decent ear pad depth, nothing super crazy. These just came out of the box, so I imagine they'll expand a little bit over time. Same adjustment mechanism for swivel and up and down and all that, so, and a little bit of padding on top. Initially that's reasonably comfortable, actually pretty decent isolation. I can barely hear my voice. 2.5mm twist lock, so let's get that on there and let's plug this thing up. Now my complaint with the K371, one of my big complaints with it, was that it was an absolute bass cannon. Beats by AKG, if you will, and there was a bit of a problem for me with something being a super bass cannon and also being labeled as professional headphones, so... Okay, initial impressions. K361. Nowhere near as much of a bass cannon as the K371, so that is nice. It does sound a bit strange. I'm going to give the pads some time to decompress, and I'm going to leave it playing for a little while, just sitting on this table. I'm glad they fixed the bass. Something in here sounds weird. It almost sounds like it's out of phase, or as if there's like a scoop out of part of the highs. And as a result, things end up sounding a little bit thin in part of the range, especially in vocals. So I'm not sure what's up with that. I'm going to come back to it after I've let it sit playing for a while and after I've let these pads decompress a little bit more. Strange how I know these measure relatively similar, but it does sound very different from the K371, partially in good ways, partially in bad ways. So this one's going to be kind of hard to say. But I will have a full video on this coming in the near future, so make sure you guys stick around and subscribe for that, because I think it'll be interesting. And I don't know if you guys have noticed this, but we'll be able to do better measurements in the pretty near future. So soon I'll have this thing set up, and you know what, maybe we'll give the K361 a run on this, and that'll be the first headphone to christen this rig once we have it all set up. Anyway, I don't feel super well. I'm gonna go and get some editing done, and I will catch you guys in the next video. So if you like this video, please leave a like down below. Comment letting me know what you want to see in the future. If you want to get active in the community, you can at forum.hifiguides.com. And as always, don't forget to stick around and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Until the next one, guys. Peace.